Hello everyone, I am Preeti Tikkas, lecturer of Electrical Engineering Department A shift of Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. So first, this is your fourth and sixth practical PPTs. In fourth practical, draw the orthographic projection of the electric machine parts. So what is orthographic projection? So it is means of the representing the three dimension objects in a two dimensions. Okay, now suppose this is the look at this. This is a three dimension project, so it is also called as a isometric projection. So of this three dimension project, you may draw in a two dimension, that means above view or top view. So this is the two dimension of the top view of that 3D dimension. So it's converted into the 2D mode. So first is the top view is also a orthographic projection of this. Then again front view is also the orthographic projection of this object, and side view, this is the side view. So this top view, front view and side view, these three are the orthographic projection of an objects, and this 3D dimension is called as the isometric projection of an object. So student, you draw the orthographic projection of the machine. So this is the diagram. I told you draw in your sheet. So this is the machine parts. It has a number of, this is terminal box, this is main terminal box, this is auxiliary terminal box, that means additional terminal box, and this is the side view of the first figure is the side view of the machine, and second figure is the front view of the machine. So you draw this all the parts of the machine in your sheet. So this is your practical number 4. Now in practical number 6. So in practical number 6, again it is a isometric projection of that machine. That means you should draw in a 3D diagram of the machine. So what is a isometric projection? So it is a method for the visually representing the three-dimensional object in a two-dimensional in a technical and the engineering drawing. It is an axonometric projection in which the three coordinates axes appear equally foreshortened and angle between any two of them is 120 degrees. So this isometric projection is also called as a 3D diagram or 3D projection. So student, you draw this diagram on your sheet. This is the induction motor stator. So it has many parts: stator core, then terminal box, winding. So you draw on your sheet as it is this diagram. Similarly, you should also draw this diagram as well. Simply make two parts of your sheet, and left hand side of that sheet you should draw this diagram, and right hand side you should draw this diagram. And this diagram, it is the squirrel cage rotor. Okay, now in this diagram you show the many parts like shaft, then copper bars, laminated core, then copper end rings. So you should draw this diagram as it is on your sheet. So in practical number 4, only one diagram you have, this one, and in practical number 6 you draw the two diagrams of the isometric view. Now simply for experiment number 6 or practical number 6, simply make a part of your sheet in a 2 and draw left hand side stator and right hand side rotor of the machine. Thank you.